Next, we'll be accessing the contacts function by pressing the contacts button on the top left. So in the contacts interface, you can view all the customer information that you've imported or customers that have contacted you through different social media channels that you have connected on our platform. So in the interface, on the all contacts functions, if you want to add more contacts, there are two main ways of doing so. One, by importing a bulk list. Two, by adding them individually. Let's start with the bulk list section. By bulk list importing, you'll be using our import function by pressing the button on the top right, which will guide you to the file sample page right here. So please note, if you want to add more information for each of the customers, instead of starting this step immediately, you should go back to the contacts page and press the edit columns function to add your unique columns by scrolling to the bottom, adding those unique fields before doing the full import. Please note that the edit columns function includes lots of different fields, such as single line text, fields where you can input dates and numbers, and even true or false type where you can actually set these to trigger different automations and such. So after you edit the columns, added those informations, and the new columns show up on the whole contacts section, then you can go to the imports button, download the sample file right here, and those columns will be added. You just have to match all the informations, and remember to also add the area number for your phone numbers. So if you're based in Hong Kong, remember to add 852 before entering your 8-digit number combination, resulting in a 11-digit combination. After you got your file ready, remember to also look through this to include your country codes before your number. Then you can upload your file by choosing the file sample right here. After you've matched those properties, it would show up like this, where it would line up with the column headers that will be shown on the SleekFlow platform. Remember to fill those in properly, or else it'll match differently and the information will be incorrect. And on the right, you can also choose the action where you can use to only overwrite all existing information in that specific field, or just add new contacts only and keep the existing information untouched. After you press next, it will complete the import function and your contacts will be on the platform.